This video is very important if you want to be healthy. This video is very important if you want health. Just very simple. Change your dinner time, free from diseases. You will lose lot of diseases. 50-60 percentage of diseases you will be free. You will be free from 50-60% of your diseases only with small habit. What is that? Change the dinner time. Why? See, human being is an animal like sheep, dogs, whatever. Like other animals, other mammals, human being also an animal. But people forgetting, only behaving, they are showing human is animal only in their angriness, in their hatred time. That's it. But remaining, we are forgetting. Like other animals, human being also animal. Animals two kinds. One is nocturnal, means they eat, they run, they live in the night time. Daytime they sleep. They take rest in daytime. Second one is diurnal. Diurnal means daytime they eat, they run, they work, they eat food. Night time they take rest, night time they sleep. We are second type of animal, diurnal. Okay? All human beings, like other animals, other plants, everything, our power generator, we all are generated by, our power generated by sun only. But we are forgetting sun. We are not exposing to the sun. That is also major reason for diseases. It's very simple. When sun is before sunset, in our stomach, concentrated HCl, concentrated hydrochloric acid will be there. In Telugu or Sanskrit, it will be Jatarasam. Produce a lot, the HCl concentration will be more high before sunset. We have to eat before sunset. You can take natural animals in forest or in villages, not in our pets, in-house pets. You can see natural animals. They never eat after sunset. You can take grass and you can put in front of sheep, natural sheep. They don't eat till sunrise. Why? They know when they want, they have to eat. Before sunset, we get lot of concentrated HCl in our stomach. Then only our food will be digested. Most of the people, even 90% of the people, is forgetting that human beings are vegetarians. Everyone nowadays eating non-vegetarian. We are vegetarians. Human beings are vegetarians, not non-vegetarians. Okay? When we eat in the evening before sunset or before darkness, our concentrated HCl will digest our food immediately. It means if you eat vegetables or fruits by 6 o'clock in the evening, before sleep, you can say by 10 p.m. in the evening, all that food has to be digested. If won't digest, we have conscious mind and subconscious mind. Our health, life only subconscious mind game only. Everything is subconscious mind game. So before we sleep, our stomach should be empty. Example, you eat at 10 o'clock in the night. You slept at 10:30 or 11 o'clock. So you are sleeping with food in your stomach. Our subconscious mind duty, once we slept, our subconscious mind will do the repair jobs in our body. So many cells in so many organs, every second so many cells will die. We get lot of chemical accumulation inside our body. The toxins will be accumulated all over the body. once we sleep, once we get the deep sleep, subconscious mind will repair in cellular level, will accumulate, will collect all the toxins in our all the organs. All the toxins will be collected and thrown to urine and outside. So that is the repair job. If somebody not sleeping for 6 days, complete 24/7, not sleeping for 5 to 6 days, he will die, because chemical will accumulate all over in the body and toxins will be jam in the body. So if you, before sleeping, if food is digested, subconscious mind will do the repair job and cleaning process in body all the night. If food is not digested, if we sleep with food in the stomach, heart and lungs have to work more. See, there is no rest for lungs and heart till our death. Remaining body parts, organs will take rest when we sleep. But when we sleep, our heart pump works slowly, lungs work slowly. That is the rest for the two organs. That is most important organs. If you sleep with food in your stomach, heart should be pump more blood to your stomach to digest digest that food. To digest that food, our body need more oxygen. So there will be no rest for your heart, there will be no rest for your lungs till all the night. Means that will be impact your lifespan. It's impact your lifespan, organs lifespan. That's why we are getting so many diseases. So we have to eat anything, vegetable or fruit or juices, whatever it may be, we have to complete the dinner before sunset only. Before dark we have to complete it. Before sleeping we have to sleep with empty stomach, then only your body repair job or toxins removal job will happen. Otherwise we will get lot of diseases. Thank you.